Xerfi Global has recently published a report on mass market retailers. With the exception of a slight dip in 2009, the market has been expanding slowly but surely and exceeded the €10 trillion threshold in 2014, a 2.8% increase on 2007 when the market value stood at €8.3 trillion, and is expected to grow by about 4.1% in the medium term to reach $11.34 trillion by 2017. This growth will not be distributed equally between regions, but rather will be primarily found on Asian and Latin American markets, which, despite that recent slowdown, will still witness the fastest growth at around 6 to 7% per year, whereas growth in Western Europe and North America will stabilise at 1.5 to 2% over the next few years. The growth potential in Asia and Latin America lies not only in their populations expanding, becoming wealthier and more urbanised, but is also due to the current structure of the mass market sector. In most emerging countries, the retail sector is highly fragmented, leaving plenty of room for consolidation and growth for leaders. In terms of strategy, emerging markets are thus a major focus of leading retailers. At the same time, however, global leaders are careful to not spread themselves too thin, but are rather concentrating their core business in countries in which they can aspire to market leadership. Carrefour, for example, has divested its businesses in Indonesia, Colombia and Greece to focus on more profitable operations. Thirdly, retailers have been expanding private labels to strengthen their market share and profits. In Europe, the share of private labels has been increasing to now account for 36.7% of retail value and an impressive 47.1% of retail volume. To ensure they continue to drive sales growth and increase margins, retailers are making sure that private labels maintain their price competitiveness, but are also expanding them into the upmarket and premium segments, as well as putting an emphasis on quality enhancing and brand building initiatives to raise customer loyalty. Lastly, another major strategy which is likely to usher in numerous upheavals in the market is multi-channel expansion. Shopping habits have changed over the years and retailers have responded by launching and diversifying into online services. Leading groups have invested in IT systems, enabling customers to use smartphones to scan merchandise barcodes, order online, or have their shopping delivered. Managing social media has also become a crucial aspect of retailers' communication strategies, as customer recommendations, comparisons and reviews can have a significant influence on other customers' purchasing decisions. Indeed, the frontier between online and in-store retailing is fading, and leading players must adapt to this new model.